How to fix your booking.com payment not working. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. You want to switch to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, and you can also try restarting your router if needed. If that is not the case, you want to check your payment details, meaning you want to make sure that your card details like expiry date, your CVV and billing address, everything is correct. Even a small little mistake can cause this payment failure. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and switch between your payment methods, as they do offer a lot of different ranges. If you're on an Android device, you can simply go ahead and head to the settings and apps and booking.com and clear app cache. If your application is not up to date, make sure to go to App Store or Play Store and update the application. Or you could also try contacting your bank or the help support team at booking.com. So go to go.booking.com/help or help.booking.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.